For 2025, KTM has given the 790 Duke a subtle refresh, introducing several new features and color options, while keeping the core mechanics largely unchanged. The bike still meets the latest Euro 5 Plus emission standards, but the most notable update is the addition of a new 5-inch TFT display. This upgraded dash brings a modern look and now includes Bluetooth connectivity through the KTM Connect app, as well as a convenient USB-C charging port. Complementing these updates, the switchgear has been redesigned with backlighting, inspired by other larger KTM models. In terms of performance, the 799cc twin-cylinder engine continues to deliver 95 horsepower and 87 Nm of torque in the European version, while other markets benefit from a slightly higher output of 105 horsepower. This variation allows KTM to offer a restricted version for newer European riders with A2 licenses. The bike retains its comprehensive electronics suite, featuring 5 riding modes: rain, street, sport, track, and performance. The latter two are optional extras, offering enhanced customization for more experienced riders. Additionally, the 790 Duke is equipped with a 6-stage anti-wheelie system, multi-level traction control, and adjustable ABS settings, plus a bidirectional quickshifter for seamless gear changes. As with many of KTM's larger bikes, the 790 Duke comes with a demo mode, allowing full access to all electronics for the first 1,500 kilometers. The bike is equipped with WP Apex suspension at both ends, and the seat height is a manageable 825 millimeters, making it suitable for both novice and seasoned riders alike. The overall update brings modern tech and more rider-friendly features to the 790 Duke, while maintaining the performance and character that KTM enthusiasts have come to love.